Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how to update a product sales price directly from a purchase order. Furthermore, we will explore how to manage price changes for products with multiple unit of measure. Before doing that, there are two setups. First, we must enable the user level setup that allows sales price modification from the purchase order. Second, we have to specify the price list at a warehouse level. So for that, we will go to user level settings first, scroll down, and under purchase extra rights, we have option that allows sales price added in purchase order. We have to enable it and click on save. Once it is saved, now we will go to our warehouse. We will go to inventory module. Under configurations, we will go to warehouses. We will search our warehouse. Let's say we are taking main warehouse as an example. We will scroll down to the bottom and we will give the price list here. This is very crucial if you operate multiple stores or warehouses where pricing might vary by locations. If your pricing is consistent across all locations, you can simply use a public price list. So in this scenario, we will select public price list and click on save. Once the setup is done, let's create a new purchase order and see how it is going to change the sales price for the product. So for that, we will navigate to purchase module. We will click on new to create a new purchase order. We will specify any vendor here. We will select our main warehouse. We can scan or select the product. So we are selecting this one sample product here. After adding the product, move to the purchase line section. You will notice a small added icon under the sales price column. Clicking this icon will open a pop-up wizard. In this wizard, you can view the price list and current purchase cost for the product, which includes landed cost as well if you have specified any landed cost on purchase order. To set a new sales price, you can simply enter desired sales price on the base product and on the different UOM manually. Further, you can enter margin and markup as well. So based on that, the system will automatically calculate and display a suggested sales price. So let's say we are giving the margin as 60%. So we can see the suggested price has been changed. On clicking on apply, this suggested price is assigned to the product and the different UOM. And once you click on update, the prices will get updated on the product. Once clicking on update, let's go to product and see whether the prices has been changed or not. So on refreshing it, we can see that the prices has been changed. If we go to extra price here, the prices has been changed for the multi-unit of measure as well. Additionally, if you want to maintain a consistent profit margin for this product in the future, we can check mark the update metrics. So for that, we will go to our wizard here. We will set our margin accordingly and we can click on update metrics here. By doing this, whenever you create a new purchase order with a different purchase price, the system will automatically suggest a new sales price based on your fixed margin. So let's say we click on update here. We go back to our purchase order. We change the unit price here. Let's say we are changing to 0.75. We go to purchase line again, and we can see that the system is automatically suggesting the sales price based on the 60% margin, which we have updated the metrics for this product. So this is how we can change the sales price from the purchase order.